Hey there, this is Andy, and in today's video, we're cleaning out the greenhouse. As you can see, things are looking a little bit sad in here. It's November 1st today, and we've had several cold nights. Down, I think we hit 19 degrees the other day, and that's probably what did these plants in their final straw, because they were looking pretty good for quite a while, for the most part all the way through October. The fruit was on there, and some of it was even getting real close to ripening up like this, but Kylie quit picking them a couple weeks ago because she said the flavor just wasn't there. They didn't taste that great, even though they were kind of turning red. We kind of abandoned the last little bit of the season, but now it's time to clean this up, and that way it's not a mess come spring. So in order to take down all the tomato plants, I have to come in and I have to undo these plastic clips. Other than that, we used regular just twine string this year, and it's tomato vine, so the rest of it can just go in the compost pile. So I gotta go through, remove all the clips, and then I can cut off and pull out the plants. So let's get to work. This is our crop of basil. It looked really good for a long time, and we probably could have got another harvest out of it if we were paying close attention, but looks like this little branch here is all we got left. Ooh, that smells good. Well, there we have it. Greenhouse cleanup complete. Had to take all the clips off the lines, which is what took the longest. It would have been easier if I did it before all the plants went soft and wilty, but I got it done. I did find it was almost easier to cut the plant off at the bottom and then unclip from the bottom up. But either way, there wasn't really a quick way to do it. I did find it was best once I got the vine off and out to set it behind me, like in the walkway, completely off the plant aisles, and then that allowed me to know that like that was clear, that was done, and we could move forward from there. As you can hear, it started raining, so that's why I don't have a clip showing me emptying the gator load of stuff, but so be it. I had to let the dogs in because they don't like the rain either. The next thing I have to do in here is to take down a couple of these lines that were tied up top that I need the ladder for, so I'll bring that out on another day when it's not raining because I'm ready to go in. I need to pick up all the drip tape, and then I'm going to hose everything down before putting the hose away for winter. I want to wet everything really nicely, and I want to seed in a cover crop. I think I'm going to toss in some winter rye in here. We didn't start any lettuce or anything for winter greens, so I'm not going to worry about that this year. We'll keep it simple and just get a cover crop growing, keep the soil active, and give us something to really add to the soil and turn in before we start growing next season. And that's going to be one of the next videos, is getting that cover crop in, so make sure you keep watching for more stuff like that to come. So thanks for watching, stay tuned for that cover crop video, and I'll see you in the next one.